All right, my fellow investors, welcome back to the channel. Hope you're all having an amazing day today. This video, we're going to be going over a little update to the Fundrise portfolio. The portfolio is currently sitting at $4,874 with $994 coming off of gains. If you guys have been following my channel, we started this account with $500 and have been incrementally adding $100 per month. All right, so these are the gains so far. A little breakdown here. All time dividends 429, 570 appreciation, advisory fees. So basically the fees that are required to maintain this account. So $5.66, guys. All right, measly little fee in comparison to the type of gains that we received. All right, so far in 2022, the red hot real estate market is continuing, guys. Appreciation of $110, $51 coming off of dividends for the year. So for the first quarter, all right, so we're sitting at $161 in gains so far, guys. I don't know if you guys have been watching my previous videos, but I mentioned that just with the amount of money I have in this account, if you were to leave it in a bank account, it would take you hundreds of years to get this type of return. All right, let's go ahead and show here the monthly deposit as well. I wanted to show you guys the consistency. All right, so there's the deposit for this month, $100. All right, and here are the dividends. All right, so quarter one dividends for 2022, guys, $45. All right, like I said, and I've been mentioning previously, it may seem insignificant. However, look at the type of gains that you get quarter after quarter when you reinvest. Okay, remember the compound effect. All right, let's go ahead and show you from the beginning of time. As you can see here, we started, like I said, with $500, started the portfolio, started adding $100 here and there. All right, the first dividends that I received, $7.68, guys. We're gonna go over this quickly. Next quarter, $16. Next quarter, $27. Next quarter, $28. All right, let's keep on going. And then here, the pandemic happened, guys. So everything got impacted by the pandemic. But then from here, the real estate market just started on a tear. All right, so $19. Next quarter started to pick up a little more on dividends, so $26. Check this out, guys. $30. Biggest dividend so far, $33. $34. All right, so it's incrementally increasing because remember, everything's being reinvested and I'm continually depositing $100 into the account. $37. And then here, a monster dividend, quarter four of 2021, $110. All right, continuing to deposit $100 every month. All right, and last but not least, quarter one dividends for 2022. All right, as you can see here, the dividends only get larger, and that's because as real estate goes up in value, guys, and people start to earn more money, rents also increase. All right, so that's how we're able to get these gains and dividends as well. All right, another main feature that I want to show you guys, I don't want to take up much more of your time, so another feature I wanted to show you guys is the invite a friend feature. As you can see here, reading it from the website itself, new. We recently updated the invitation program to offer greater value to our investors for inviting friends. Now, you can receive up to $100 in shares for each friend who signs up with Fundrise from your invitation, depending on your account level. All right, so currently at my account level, since we're on the verge of just reaching that $5,000 threshold, right now, if I were to invite somebody, I would receive $50 in shares for each friend that joins with my invitation. All right, and as a bonus, you will receive $50. All right, so essentially, guys, I think you could start off investing in Fundrise with that as little as $100. So if you start off with $100, that's your first investment in real estate. All right, if you don't have any type of real estate. All right, so for a measly $100, you sign up with Fundrise, guys, and you're directly investing into real estate. All right, like the big boys out there. All right, so you would receive an additional $50 worth of value in shares that goes towards purchasing some more institutional grade real estate. All right, if you guys want to do it on your own, doesn't matter to me. You'll be getting $50 through my invitation code. I don't know what the bonus is if you guys sign up on your own. However, if you do it through here, you'll be helping out the channel and you'll be receiving a $50 of your own. All right, and I might throw in a little bonus as well. I'll be disclosing that later on. If you sign up using my invitation code, it'll be in the description in this video. Go ahead and let me know what you guys think about Fundrise. Like I said, do your due diligence, guys, before you invest. Always do your homework, all right, guys, because you're essentially putting your money in something that has the potential of growing and appreciating in value. And if it grows large enough, it'll provide you with sustainable income for the rest of your lives, guys. All right, hopefully you guys like this video. If you guys want to follow me on my journey to create financial freedom, I appreciate that. Go ahead and subscribe to the channel. like this video, that way we can share our information with as many investors as possible. Help them and yourselves create financial freedom, guys. All right, I'll catch you on the next video.